I just got a package from Lensbaby. Let's see what's in it. All right, let's see what's inside of this. I think I know what it is, but let's open it together. Ooh, okay, so this is the newest product from Lensbaby. It is the Double Glass 2 with Composer Pro. It's a 50mm 2.5 tilt lens. It's got a sweet spot effect to it, and it has drop-in creative bokeh effects. So let's unpack this and see how it works. All right, so I got it open. Let's see what's in it. So first things first is the Aperture discs. It comes in a little container like this. And fun little note, these are perfect to fit on a film container. It's a perfect little size, right? It's cute. Okay, so this pops off and gotta leave it attached, and out come the little discs. So we've got a bunch of different options here. That's the first one. Some little birds. This is not a new system for Lensbaby. They have the creative bokeh aperture discs for multiple lenses. So most of these are all the same. Let's see. I love the star one. Where is it? There it is. Little star one, super cute. And they also come with blank discs that you can make your own. I actually have one sitting here that I've made for a previous lens, and I think this one's my all-time favorite. Don't judge the cut. It's not the greatest cut, but it works for what we want. So there's my, oh, come on. There we go. It's a little star. It's just a different version of the star cut out. So love it. Love that you can make your own. All right, we're gonna put these back in to the container. Just snap this on. And then the other cool thing about this, which we'll use here in a minute, this little lid right here is a magnet at the bottom, and this is what you use to get the creative aperture out of the lens. A lot of people didn't know that, and so I figured we might need to put that in there. There's the magnet. All right, we're gonna put this to the side. All right, so let's get to the actual lens now. I shoot on a Nikon Z6. So here is the product, the lens. Super cute, right? All right, so let's take the lens cap off. So we've got the Double Glass 2 optic, the Double Glass 2 optic here. And you twist like a pill bottle, push down, twist, and it comes right out. We've got the apertures. It goes from 2.5 to f/22, and it just clicks around. There's the logo, and then there's the name of the optic. All right, so let's put it back into the Composer Pro. So we find where it hooks up, push down, and secure it in. It clips in. All right, so as you all know, the Composer Pro tilts. We've got the little tilt here, and yeah, there it is. All right, so let's drop in some of the apertures here. You just take it and just pop it right in there, push it down, make sure it's secure, and you are good to go. To get the most effect of the creative bokeh, it's best to leave the f-stop at 2.5. That'll give you the most effect, and it also makes the smallest focus point of the sweet spot. So just keep that in mind when you're shooting. All right, so I'm gonna pop this on my camera. I'm gonna line up the dots, click it on, and we are good to go, good to shoot. All right, if you want to switch out the creative optic disc, as I mentioned previously, this little magnetic piece down here, you just stick it in there and it pulls out the aperture disc. Then we can place in another one. So we've got the little splat here. We're just gonna drop it in there, make sure it's secure, and on to the next one. So let's take it out for a test run and see what we can create.